Can the dragon and the elephant ever unite? Namaskar, you're watching the Global Eye with me, Mosmi. If we delve deep into India China relations, we are compelled today to ask a question that has shaped Asian geopolitics for decades. Can the dragon and the elephant ever truly come together as friends? India and China, two ancient civilizations and modern giants, share not just borders but ambitions together. Yet history, politics, and strategy often pull them apart. With new global shifts, especially after the SCO summit, is there a possibility of resetting ties? Now, if we look at China's policy, friends for benefit. China's foreign policy is often described as pragmatic but opportunistic. The principle seems very clear: make friends for benefit, but always remain on top. Beijing has built its strength on expansionist goals from the South China Sea to its Belt and Road Initiative, which we know as BRI. Its strategy frequently positions itself as a dominant power while keeping others dependent or vulnerable. For India, this has meant a neighbor whose handshake often comes with hidden clause. And if we see the past is filled with deceit. History reminds us of China's unpredictable moves, the 1962 Indo-China War. Despite agreements of Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, left a scar of betrayal. Border skirmishes in Doklam and Galwan Valley in recent years have only deepened mistrust. While both countries stress dialogue, India has learned to treat China's promises with cautious realism. Now, why is China courting India now? And is it at all courting India? Several global dynamics explain Beijing's outreach. Maybe the Russia factor. With Moscow increasingly leaning on Beijing due to Western sanctions, China knows that India's historic friendship with Russia cannot be ignored. Engaging India allows China to balance equations in Central Asia. And can anyone ignore India's huge market? China cannot overlook the pull of India's 1.4 billion strong consumer market. Amid US tariffs, losing access to India could mean economic isolation for Chinese goods and technology. And America's return post Trump. President Donald Trump 2.0. With Donald Trump back in Washington with new power, US China tensions are escalating. In this shifting world order, China may see India as too big a player to antagonize completely. And India's caution, the elephant's calculated moves. India, however, is measured and cautious. Prime Minister Modi, or we call it the Modi government, has repeatedly emphasized sovereignty and self-reliance. While New Delhi participates in the SCO and BRICS alongside China, it balances this with strong ties to the Quad and Europe, and of course, we have not completely devastated our relationship with US. The SCO summit raised cautious hopes, handshakes, smiles, and the usual talk of cooperation. Yet India knows the real test lies in action. Will China stop its expansionist designs in Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh? Will Beijing reconsider its dam projects on the Brahmaputra, which threaten India's northeast water security? Will Chinese investments come without strings that compromise sovereignty? Can the dragon and the elephant unite? So, if we talk to the analyst, many analysts argue that India and China are bound by both necessity and rivalry. They compete for leadership in Asia, but they also share economic interdependence and global responsibilities for climate change to supply chains. Now, for friendship to be real, China must respect India's territorial sovereignty. Is China at all ready? End its policy of blocking India at global forums like the UN, and offer transparent, equal economic partnerships rather than dominance. Yes, China said it. We are not rivals, but China has to prove that. India, on the other hand, must balance caution with engagement. Of course, if we actually are moving ahead to trust China, we have to be very, very cautious. It's a risk. Use it growing global clout to extract meaningful concessions. Keep alliances diversified to avoid overdependence on any one power. But if we now look at the entire scenario after this SEO summit, can the dragon and the elephant walk side by side? Possibly, but not as naive friends. Their relationship will always be out of strategic cooperation, cautious rivalry, and conditional trust. For now, it is less about friendship and more about managing differences while seizing opportunities. The world will be watching because when these two giants move, the earth does not just shake, it changes the global order. For more updates and deep insights, keep watching The Global Eye.